What's up, guys? I'm bringing you a 3x3 solve because my mom asked for it because she wants to show off at work, saying that her son's so beast. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys a quick solve, hopefully a quick solve. And yeah, so times will be coming from my computer, and actually it'll also be coming from my phone because there you go. So let's do this. I don't even know if you guys can see. That way when I pick up my cube, you guys should be able to see it, but I'll lift the camera. This is frustrating. And you're filming on a crappy camera like this right now. It's pretty frustrating. There we go. Now it's balanced out. I think I'm ready. Oh, okay. Sadly, I hit the spacebar twice. I just got sub 30, ladies and gentlemen. I got under 30 seconds. So yeah. Let me see if I can actually get this for you guys to see. Yeah, that's not supposed to actually be there. That 1.117, that was when I hit the double space bar by accident. What you really want to be looking at right here. No. Right there. That highlighted part. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in real close. Yeah, it's 29.95. Yeah, so that's the last solve I just did. I had to click. Yeah, 1.175. Yeah, I wish, but no. So that's my solve, guys. I just hit sub 30. Hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys later, and